Hello and welcome to 18138 East Saskatoon Place, located in the small, cozy community of Anthology in the town of Parker. I'm Jenny Gomez with the Elite Home Sales team at RE/MAX Professionals, and I'm really excited to be able to present this listing to you because it has so many wonderful features to share, including two of my favorite. One, which is views off of the upper level deck backing up to the open space, and then the beautifully finished walkout basement. This ranch floor plan features over 3,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3 full bathrooms. Let's take a tour, shall we? Well, if you love the home, then you're also going to love the fact that you will have extra free time in the summer and the winter months to enjoy the things that you want to do the most, because the HOA amenities include front and backyard lawn mowing, as well as snow removal from the driveway all the way up to your front door. So give me a call for your own private tour, Jenny Gomez, at 303-880-8270.